the race started.
No, they did. Look at my legs. It doesn't take you forever to tie your legs.
By the way, I accidentally just restarted again.
Oh my god. You can send me 3 videos.
Yeah. You still have. Oh my god! Get Jamie. Get on.
Guys, Holly hasn't been out yet. No, take back.
Yeah, that's just since I'm good.
Oh, you're on the grass. Get up. Yes, she's on the grass. She's on the grass. Which is so unlucky. So, Holly hasn't even been out yet, and that was a take back.
Tag. Ow! That was bloody sore. Ah! Wait, guys, I just realised I can go on the grass. Nobody knows me.
It's Emily at.
Tag.
Emily, you're at. Emily, are you?
My God!
But you're still at. You're still at.
You okay?
Good.
Jesse.
See, girlie. Oh my god, girl. Emily's at!
Oh yeah.
Right. No.
Let's
you're
take a
still
moment.
At.
Not
actually.
Yeah,
You're
you're
still at. Hurry up.
Let's take a moment to appreciate our blood.
Why is it blood actually? Guys, everybody do that. For our,
That's like some type of
for
sailing.
our lovely
blood stain?
Emily.
Is that blood?
Today, she
No,
has
you're
sadly passed away.
So have I. Where's your bowl?
Wake up! Sadly.
You remember she's at